The friction ring is part of your impact wrench's anvil assembly. The friction ring is installed in a groove on the end of the anvil. The ring is slightly larger than the square portion of the anvil. When the socket is installed, the ring is compressed, and the tension holds the socket in place. Over time, the ring can compress too small, so it no longer firmly holds the socket. Replacing the friction ring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the friction ring from the anvil. I'll place a pick underneath the friction ring and pry it outward. At the same time, I'll twist the pick and pull the friction ring off the anvil. I'll use a pair of needle nose pliers to pull the friction ring away from the anvil. Now install the new friction ring. I'll use a pair of retaining ring pliers to install the friction ring. I'll place the ring over the front of the anvil and use the pliers to expand it open. I want to be careful to not overexpand it or to lose its tension. I'll use a small screwdriver to push it down into the groove. And that's how easy it is to replace the friction ring on your impact wrench. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.